Hey everyone! Today we're talking about something that can save you time, money, and most importantly, it can keep that smile looking amazing. It's called preventative dental treatments. So, what exactly are preventative dental treatments? Well, they're simple practices and procedures that are designed to keep your teeth, your gums healthy before problems like cavities or gum disease even start. So, let's go ahead and break it down. First off, we have your professional dental cleanings, right? Which should be done at least every 6 months. Some people need every 3 months. Now, with cleanings, we are able to remove plaque and calculus before they can lead to any cavities or gum disease. Next, we have fluoride treatments. This is a controversial topic. I know a lot of you don't like fluoride, but think of it like a superhero for your enamel. It helps protect your enamel and it helps make your enamel stronger. Have you ever heard of dental sealants? Well, they're like paint shells that we put on your teeth, especially on the back molars. That's gonna help protect the deep grooves where cavities love to hide. And another key part of preventative care is oral hygiene education. We dentists and hygienists are like your personal coaches, right? We're gonna teach you right brushing techniques, flossing techniques that are gonna keep things nice and clean. So then there are the routine checkups. Regular dental checkups help spot any issues early, whether it's a small cavity or it's the start of gum disease. Also, don't forget the x-rays. I know a lot of you don't like them, but they really help us find hidden problems like decay between teeth or even bone loss. Now, good news is that that's not all you can do. There's also interceptive dental treatments that could help stop a baby cavity from growing, which could save you from needing a drill or a needle in the future. So there you have it. That's preventative dental care.